Hey, welcome back to Cryptos to Invest, where we're going to talk again about Kaspa and we're going to do a price update and see the move that's done about 50% up, which is really amazing and impressive for a Kaspa with billions of market cap. So this is actually Kaspa in front of you guys. So let's put it on daily. So just today's candle. Let's measure today's candle. So today's candle was about 72% in addition to yesterday's candle. That's 24. That's almost 80, 90, 98. 98 addition to this, again, another 5 or 10%. That will be about 100 and something percent that it went up, right? So usually or normally on crypto, we do have all the time about 100, 120. That's the normal range for an up surge in one day, all right? But nevertheless, let's just see from here to there. So from here to here, that's about 200% in a matter of how much days are these? In a matter of 20 days, we did at 200%. So, which is really impressive. So coming back first, before we're going to talk about the chart, before we're going to talk about also the next move that we expect it to go to, please, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I will happily to have you on channel subscribe. You have any comments, any suggestions, please put them in the comment box below. I will be happy to answer them for you too. So the last this is the last analysis that we done about 1 day or 2 days ago. We said this area is for a selling area. It's never a buying area, all right? So it matches the same place here. So we expecting it actually to came here and from there go back, which is what's happening and what did happen here. Okay, so what we are gonna expect from here is another, because the most of cryptos actually they come back and do a little bit of bounce. Let me go back. Here we go. They came on the top of this line of the area sign, which is 70, and then they come back again, and from there they do the correction. All right. So that's one thing. That's one scenario. So the second scenario is all the way down and correct above this line and come back again, and from there do a hard correction. As you can see, it's been months and months and we never did a huge correction, which is also would be considerable in the next few weeks too. All right, as you can see also here, as we went to this area, which is similar to here and similar also to this place right here. Okay, to this point exactly of today. So then we did a huge correction to the downside until we touched the trending line from the bottom, and then we continue also the continuation of price movement and price action. So that's one thing I just want to highlight to you guys. So that's in terms of RSI, it's still bullish, but right now it turns to be bearish. So we have to go until 50% right here of the RSI and retest to 50% and then come back and see if we're gonna hold into that or not. In terms of a long-term investment as we sit here anew high or a new like target, because actually the obvious target, which was 0.025, has been reached and also finished. So the next one will be also 0.25 cents. If you see here, the Kaspa has been trending on ascending channel and is almost reached the top of the channel today. Almost like about, just needs about a couple cents and you will touch here the top of it. But you may even break into or above this ascending channel, do a bull fake out right here, and then come back again inside the channel and do a huge correction. So right now we trying or we expecting it to do the correction, and it's already started doing the correction, as you can see here. As soon as it reached 0.038, and then immediately a pullback to 0.25, which is also understandable if we see why it did back up from here, which is 50% of the RSI. If we pull back the RSI to the top of the previous channel, and not the previous channel, but the previous candle, and hold the RSI from the last moving point, which is considerable to be in this area, to also this area right here. So from here to here, point the RSI from this bottom to this top, and it will give you the 50%, which actually backed up. And it's similar to the target we put in here, which is 0.25. So it actually expected to be a pullback from there too, and maybe retest the same area right here or around it, about 30, 33, and start having this as descending also like pullback. So that's what I'm expecting from the Kaspa to do. Let me just take this out. So this is already done, but in a parabolic way, in a parabola way. So that's actually what I'm anticipating right here. Right now, I'm anticipating a huge correction for the Kaspa, almost to the bottom right here to 0.14. Or even less to this point right here, which is 0.12, and from there starting to trying to push the project inside the channel again, because here it risks actually to came out of the ascending channel, and they will push a huge or they have to do a great job pushing the project to stay inside the ascending channel, to stay bullish. And we see this as we mentioned in the previous video, those like moves, it happens all the time when a project gets listed on a new exchange, because today and yesterday has been listed in one exchange, and today also I think BitBay or something like that has been listed, this project. But also the long-term project, as we said, it will stay, the mainly focus is 0.25. It may happen this year, it may not. Please keep that in consideration, and whatever you see in this video is not financial advice, by the way. So I tried to go to the website to see the roadmap again and see if there's an update or not, but the website is down. Maybe they do some new updates or something like that. I tried to go to Telegram there too, but nothing is mentioned about it. I think this is the new listing. It should be right here, but if we go to Twitter, though, we're gonna find it also there in their account. So this is the new listing, not here, but this is the new listing 10 hours ago from BuyDefi. This is the new exchange. So each time we have a new listing, it causes a huge people to buy that have been waiting it to be listed in a certain exchange where they have an account open. Guess what? If it get listed on Binance or get it listed on Coinbase, that's an immediate call for the price to go above 1 cent if it just get listed in these two big ones. I'm not sure if it's on Huobi or not. Let me see. It's not on Huobi yet, so it will be also a huge advantage if it's get listed in Huobi, if it gets also listed in OX. Cookwind, I'm not sure if it's listed in there, so will be also good and huge if it's listed on Cookwind. Those wins will bring a big volume into the project, which is also will cause it to go to our second target, which is 0.25 cents. I think that's the big picture right here. This is the main update I want just to share with you guys in this new video, and I hope you like it, and I hope also you get some value out of it. In terms of a price action and the volume, it keeps just pumping and pumping, growing more and more, and we see a lot of people also enjoying this project like so huge and buying a lot of it, thinking that the price will keep going up. Keep in mind, please, that nothing keeps going up. Nothing keeps going up. We need some correction here and there, sometimes major corrections, sometimes just a pullback. So that's things also to have to consider in mind. And we have also to consider that any project respects in most of the time the indexes, the RSI, the MACD, the moving averages, the support resistance, whatever those are, so it does respect them. So unless there is a huge parabola about project that just doesn't respect nothing, but the most of those happened in a quick short-term pump and ending in a quick plunge down too. So that's for today's video. I hope you like this content so far. If you do, please hit up and subscribe, give the video a like to help the algorithms to find our videos and to have more exposure on this channel. Thank you so much again for being here. To the next one. Happy to see you.